What's up, guys? I'm recording some jailbreak. There's this really like weird guy that's really mean, and he's going for me. He's targeting me, but I don't care because I'm the best jailbreak player alive. Crap! It's Bacon Man. I'm cutting. And we are back.
Put my brother's crazy.
Put it both. Got these stupid men here.
What did he say? Go
Okay, no, on to another. Best friend. No, look. It's only doing the skinny up.
Come on, don't. Watch this. Professional jailbreak move. Oh. That was. It's not that hard, my son. You will learn. Oh no!
He did it wrong.
Nobody is grabbing the gun. I'm sorry, man.
Go now. 3, 2, 1.
I just made a murder. Ooh.
Anyone can be a slave. Color, religion, it doesn't matter. Slaves and wrong. They were not even expensive, so anyone can be a master. Slaves and wrong.
The Wild Angelo. This one was good. He wants me to delete this. This part was good.
He goes to that.
He had big hair.
What is that shirt?
Oh, let me just get
Mac
level
and
7.
Chez.
My friend made a video about it, and he got really. I'm trying to chew loud so the microphone can pick it up. Cause he gets really mad because my other friend made a video about it, and he got super mad.
Who?
Cause he made a mac and cheese video, and then my other friend did.
Super mad.
You know that is copyright content?
You had 4 videos of giveaways. What did you give away?
Don't worry about it.
Give away a Roblox thing.
I gave a Roblox toy if that. Look at this.
Giveaway.
Look at this. Skitty boom. What are you doing?
Yeah.
Put it right.
Where to, ma'am? It's a guy. So right now we're Ubering in the fastest car in the game, you know, level 5 engine.
Where to, ma'am? She in your car?
Did you just assume my gender? Oh, crap.
He said, dude.
Well,
Say bye.
I did it on purpose.
Wow, Malcaro, I did it on purpose.
Ma'am.
I did it on purpose, man. Do funny, funny.
Oh, you want to get me?
NFL bad lip reading or something.
Sorry.
Ow.
That was so funny. When the guy was doing the voiceover, do NFL voiceover, it was hilarious. Lele Pons, Momo, are you serious? Lele Pons? Oh, I was about to say.
And
Let's go get my merch on. So only for 5 Robux. Oh my gosh. Someone please help me.
safe in Rome.
I'm gonna change up the texture. You know what? I'm gonna talk to some random people. If anyone's online, I'm just gonna go to Discord 1 sec.
Use Racer. Actually, no. Save in
Gorch?
Keep going.
Gorch is pretty nice.
What about Rainbow? It's a recording.
I'm gonna make this video like 15 minutes. What's this?
Just her?
Crap, 1 sec, I'll be right back. On the search for Discord.
Wait, so we're staying here?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Place,
Well, I call sleeping over there.
play some of that good. What the frick? Okay, the jailbreak Discord. Someone's gotta be in it. Come on,
You gonna watch what? I can tell.
regulars. What the frick? Okay, these people. I don't have permission?
Winter on summertime.
Ow! Me? You want me to turn it down? You put it on. You stupid.
Go to that PS4 thing.
You want me to turn it down? My username's this. He does a lot of jailbreak. No one? At this point, I'll talk to anyone who's online. Which is no one. What the frick? Why is there so much people online?
Fortnite. Oh, you're right there. Fortnite.
What the heck? General 1.
Oh, yeah, this one.
I'm the last one. Yo, what's up, guys?
Malcolm, why is your girlfriend talking?
The decode plays says she wants
He's saying, I gotta figure out who's saying this. Yo, who's saying this? I'm gonna mute them. No, move.
I told her, I keep on talking to her, but she doesn't listen.
You have to turn it up because your girlfriend.
Everybody who say the only person who's going start talking. It's this person. It's Lil. Mute. Sorry.
I wanna kill you. Alright. Let's just kidding.
Yo,
My booty.
dude, I swear. Is this person? I think I got them.
What are you watching? It's like Pokemon.
Why is there so many people in this Discord?
Like Maverick, I muted him like 20 hours ago. I'm not gonna send you. What do you thought, my boy?
You probably don't even know who Logan Paul is.
You just call him Maverick.
Can you still hear me?
No. We can't hear you.
Oh shit.
Oh, he said a bad word.
Report him right now. Report him right now.
This guy is like a noob.
Hey,
Family friendly.
Milky, tell Kate no sucky suckies for her forever.
Shut up.
Yo, this guy's so...
No sucky forever.
Yo,
Right, Malachi?
there's
No
too many
sucky
people in this. There's
forever.
8 people here. Okay, I'm leaving that one. I need to find a chill one that has like 3 people in it. No sucky suckies forever. Yo, tell Kate. No Get off Guavajuice's channel.
That's gonna be in the future, bro.
Oh crap, I'm still recording. Hi guys.
We're gonna see what's inside of there. Alright, so we're here again. I started by the highest price.
He bought one for $10,000 and he got like 36K.
Make a YouTube video about Momo.
When my phone charges.
Yeah, Mama, you're a data.
YouTube videos and giveaways. Money going to you. Alright guys, you heard of this box is good for YouTube videos and giveaways.
Oh yeah,
Every single
this one's pretty chill.
is inside this
What's up, guys?
Giving away. We'll find out when that happens. Stay tuned.
There's people in this one. There's barely any people.
Alright, now we gotta look for
Hey guys, I'm making a YouTube video.
which one you want. Look over here. You want that one? Okay.
Hey guys, I'm making a YouTube video.
Mystery stuff box. No
This is
junk.
like
Okay, let's
really.
get this one. It's $25 and it's women mystery stuff. Alright, proceed to checkout. 5,000.
Can you tell me you're making a YouTube video?
No, I'm not saying that.
Alright, good to go.
I'm iDubbbz.
Delivery Saturday,
Like,
January
third
27th.
man.
Today is currently the 22nd.
What's up, guys?
I'm iDubbbz.
Did I just get arrested? Cool.
So, I'll see you guys when it ships.
I was playing Jailbreak, but I got arrested because I went AFK in a Bugatti. Don't do that. Don't go AFK in a Bugatti, kids.
Okay, let's go. Alright, everybody, I got these boxes here. It's really, really heavy, at least the bottom one is. So, we have here the $25 box picked by your own very...
Everybody, you're in this call at your own risk. Someone is sick, you will get sick.
What other people do with the boxes. Sometimes they draw on it, sometimes they don't. This is the $5,000 box. I guess the guy just went overboard with tape. Yeah, super excited.
Beware.
To see what's up. So let's open up the $25 box first. Alright, so I'm gonna shake this one aside. Remember that box.
Turn it down, there's people that sleep downstairs.
Yeah, it's really loud, and I don't know why I'm still recording.
Huh?
This is like really loud. Guava Juice talks really loud.
We'll be right back.
Nice. Okay, are you guys playing anything or something? The only way anyone's gonna be online is if they're in a different time zone. So. Sure. Does this mean Minecraft M+? Okay, I'm just gonna friend him then. He's gonna be surprised when he sees my expensive face that I gained a lot of money from. This guy is an online dater. You can just see it in his eyes. Look at this guy. You can see it in his eyes. Watch. David's sister is an online dater. When did this guy join?
I just got like $20. He bought a big shit himself.
He wasn't even that excited for the $10,000 one.
Mama,
Shadow.
go get the pillows from the car.
I'm gonna go on a selling spree.
Remember we took the pillows to Pennsylvania? Why are you looking at me like that? Go get the other pillows from the car.
Who needs pillows? Because I think I have pillows.
You have one pillow.
I know, I was just telling you. Yeah. Wow, that actually worked $5,000. Wow.
Oh no.
Oh, I just died.
Guava Juice really can't be fixed. Oh, why did I make this video?
Almost sold one of my donuts that
Well, guys,
I don't know why you need help.
I guess this is the end of.
Okay, I'm just look at this. Oh.
Hope you guys liked it. I don't know why you guys would like it. Let's hit 10,000 likes on this video for a new one. You guys got 20K on the last video. Wink, wink.
Yeah, I'm not gonna do this.
Wink, wink. Alright, see you guys later. See you guys.